not working out well.
I think I surprised her.
I think so.
You can let go now.
So when did you get in town?
You gotta show your face so they can take pictures.
Gee, I didn't know you were in town. When did you get back? did, did you really think he'd miss it? Somebody got a tissue for her.
Hey Dana, Olive Warren knows he's in town, but you. All right, so 3 to get in